If you're seeing Facebook error 368, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix step by step. This error can happen when Facebook temporarily blocks an action, or when your browser or connection is causing a problem. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any technical skills. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and troubleshooting guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making more helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get into the fix. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, just press F5, or if you're on a laptop, use the browser refresh button. Sometimes Facebook error 368 appears because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to reset the session and let the page work normally again. If refreshing does not solve the issue, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're actually connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected, Facebook may not be able to complete the request, which can trigger this error. You can try opening another website to see if it loads properly. If other websites are slow too, restart your router or switch to a more stable connection, and then try Facebook again. The next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, browsers store old files, temporary data, and cookies that can sometimes interfere with websites like Facebook. If that stored data becomes corrupted, it may cause errors when loading pages or sending requests. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History settings, and clear the cache data. If you want, you can also clear cookies for Facebook specifically. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging into Facebook again. If the error still appears after those steps, try signing out of Facebook and signing back in. This can refresh your session and remove temporary account issues. You can also try opening Facebook in a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to see whether the problem is browser-specific. Sometimes extensions can interfere too, so if needed, disable browser extensions temporarily and test again. Another helpful step is to wait a little while and try again later. Facebook error 368 can sometimes be temporary, especially if Facebook has flagged an action as suspicious or if too many requests were made in a short time. Waiting a few minutes and then retrying can often fix it automatically. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are to refresh the page by pressing F5, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps solve the issue for many people right away. If this video helped you fix Facebook error 368, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.